Here's a super quick tutorial on how to create ombre lettering with Ecoline brush pens and Ecoline liquid watercolors. These brush pens have self-cleaning nibs, which is what lends them so well to this technique. By simply touching two different colored nibs together, you can transfer the ink from one to the other. Obviously, you'll only be able to go light to dark. Once you start drawing on your paper, the darker color will show up first, gradually allowing the light color to show through. As you can see, that light blue is just starting to appear. For a truly ombre effect, you'll want to go with more monochromatic colors, but we chose these very contrasting colors so you can see what's really happening to the nib. For our second technique, you will combine the brush pens with the Ecoline liquid watercolors. You simply dip the nib in the watercolor and start writing. Each pigment acts a little different, so you'll have to experiment to discover how each color combination performs. And that's all there is to it. Find both the Ecoline brush pens and Ecoline liquid watercolors at Flax, available in both our San Francisco and Oakland stores.